She coming here talking about let's go down each aisle. She must have bumped her head when she got out the car. Look good. Look at me.
Oh my God.
All I gotta do is lose this belly. Ooh, they gonna be on me. She gonna have to fight them off me. Get off me. Get off me.
I don't have to fight for nothing that belong to me, honey.
Ooh.
Y'all, welcome back to our channel, Follow the Hamptons. I am Lakeisha, and that's my lovely husband, Mr. Hampton, over there. Me and you look just alike. I don't know, but look how much we look alike. Look at yourself. You look like your mama, girl. You don't see it. You know?
People say it all the time, but I don't know. I want the same thing. You know my order yet? How may I help you?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I have a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. A hash.
Make another one. Okay.
Oh, okay. A hash brown.
Okay.
And a small French vanilla coffee with cream, no sugar.
Okay.
All right. And then I would like the avocado toast with bacon.
I want to. Unfortunately, we don't have any sourdough at the moment.
Okay. Let me get a large French vanilla coffee, cream, no sugar.
Is that hot or ice?
Hot.
Both. Okay.
And both of them are hot.
Got you.
And that'll be it.
You don't want to try to do all right.
Breakfast on me. Nope, I don't want that. So if I can't get my avocado toast, I don't want
nothing. I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna stop.
Look, if I can't get my avocado toast, I don't want nothing. Just run me a coffee, please, and thank you.
Let's get the bill.
It's so nice having grown children. Child, let me get that. Thank you.
I want every car I see. That's and alone.
Damn, we was in line for a long time. Look at time of them.
Some mukbang.
This coffee is so good. It's doing what it needs to do.
Let me taste mine because yesterday was too much. Y'all, we see the car I want to get. He got the peanut butter seats and everything. Look at his rims spinning. Yeah, that look better than a Beamer and an AMG.
Good morning. We are up early getting ready to head to Sam's Club to get some groceries, very much needed. We don't even have eggs, so you already know it's time to make a run. It's a beautiful day outside. It's really nice. I know the weather is pretty cool. I checked, it was 62, high should be in the 70s, low in the 55, I think it was. So I put on a little jogging suit to try and stay warm and comfortable while we're out. We're going to take y'all with us to Sam's Club. That should be fun. Check in with y'all in a little bit. So today I'm wearing a two-piece jogging set that I got from Forever 21. I ordered it online. It's a crop jogging suit top and then just some regular jogging pants. They are very comfortable, as you can see. Everlast is the brand, so I'm sure that it's still on their website if you guys may be interested. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. So I have been doing some shopping. This is my latest purchase I got from Tory Burch. I'm gonna wear these today. And they just have the little Tory Burch symbol on them. And I did try them on. They're actually really comfortable. So that's one pair that I got. And these are the other pair that I got. I don't know why I wanted the orange, but I wanted the orange. So this is my latest purchase. I think they're cute. These are actually really, really heavy. So we're gonna see how these work out. I gotta wear them to really get a feel. These are more lightweight, so these are gonna be perfect like when we're out grocery shopping, just out whatever, and I wanna throw these on. These will be perfect for that. Y'all, welcome back to our channel, Follow the Hamptons. I am Lakeisha, and that's my lovely husband, Mr. Hampton over there. He's being mean today. I don't know what's going on with him, but don't be smiling now.
You gotta put them in their place.
Whatever. You know I'm sensitive. You know I'm sensitive.
She asked where my wallet. I say in my pocket.
No, you were supposed to just give me your wallet.
I'm driving 60 miles per hour on the interstate. I'm supposed to give you my wallet while I'm driving like that? Well,
at least say, well, baby, I'm gonna give it to you when I
you already
stop.
Know what you want with my wallet anyway.
I need your card. That's what I want with your wallet.
Y'all gonna come get her.
Went to Fred's. I never filmed because it's always so crowded, and then it's like buffet style. So, and we were kind of in a hurry because we were trying to make it to our credit union before 12, only to get there and find out that they're not even open anymore on Saturdays. We didn't know. So whatever.
I'm glad they weren't open because she was just gonna try to take all the money out.
That's her story. But so we're heading now to pick up my god baby. She want to hang out with the old folks today for a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping and go back home. I think you gotta work. You gotta do taxes.
I ain't gotta do nothing.
Y'all see how he acting today?
Yeah, I gotta do some taxes, some last minute taxes.
So anyway, I don't have anything to do today. I need to try this restaurant out. But you don't really like pasta.
No, I don't like pasta like that.
Santos Stefano. We're down in this is Ybor City that we are riding through currently.
What?
Your head shine.
I look good. Look at me.
Oh my god.
All I gotta do is lose this belly. Ooh, they gonna be on me. She gonna have to fight them off me. Get off me. Get off me.
I don't have to fight for nothing that belong to me, honey.
Ooh. Ooh.
Now what?
I ain't got nothing to say.
I ain't think you did. Something's going on down here, not sure. But
I think I should turn off.
you can. Oh, they leaving now, honey. Oh, it looked like a car accident, maybe. They got a new house. They stuck it right there. It's like they gonna find a lot, okay, to put that house.
Yes.
Come on, baby. So we have made it to Sandwar, the farmers market. We like to come here and get our fruits and vegetables. So anyway.
We need more lemons, don't we?
Yeah.
Might well get a bag of lemons.
I understand why the limes double the prices of the lemons. Okay. These vegetables be so pretty when they fresh. Now this is what I like right here. I like these. Yeah, they taste better than broccoli. What are these? You ever had this before?
No, I haven't.
I don't like these type of avocados. You don't? I don't like it. Oh, Monty tried avocado. Yeah, she did like it. Yeah. All these beautiful colors. The darker the better. They nice. They nice houses.
The lot just small.
Yeah, that's what it is. That was my great grandma's house right there. That what color is that? Green.
Like a
Teal green. Yep, my great grandma handwrote. We just dropped my god baby back off. Miss Thing couldn't hang. She was sleeping, but she was up early. She had a dance competition this morning, so, and I think they performed at about 9:30. So she was tired, so we took her back because we just left Sandwar. Now we're heading to Sam's. So yeah. Here, let me put my purse up. Listen, Corey finna get his feelings hurt in this store.
I would run from
You can't. I bet I could beat you running.
bet you can.
And your back gonna start hurting as soon as you. Baby, I want this. So Samsonite is good. I don't like this color though. The color, but I like this one. I like that. Oh, this one's Samsonite too. Oh, this. I don't like that green, but I guess the gray is nice. Okay, that's $149.
She come here talking about let's go down each aisle. She must have bumped her head when she got out the car. That ain't
Oh, I
happening.
think we need some of this.
Okay.
Got Mari. It seemed to be holding up pretty good. Just the same as that one. She be cooking. The green. They cheap too. They're $1.98 for 3 pounds. That's really cheap. That ain't cheap yet. I like it. Oh, I like this. You saw this? It's white. No, they didn't. You bought strawberries. What we came here for? Okay. I think he a better driver than me, y'all. But he's not. He think he a better driver.
I am.
No, you're not.
Girl, you can't even bite Paul.
I can't what?
You can't even bite Paul.
I can't even back Paul. Here's the part of going grocery shopping that I hate. And that would be taking the groceries out of the car. Somebody come help. Yeah, I'm laughing at you. Okay. This why I like Instacart. I said this is why I like Instacart. What's wrong with Instacart?
You paying money for them to deliver you stuff.
You just like going to the grocery store.
And they pick out the old shit.
You just like going to the grocery store.
Pick out the old stuff and bring it right to you.
That's what you think. All right, so this is what we got from Sam's. We got the 2 packs of salmon, and then we got the rack of lambs. I think we got 4 rack of lambs. We got paper towels, toilet paper, and bleach. We just keep this stuff in the garage. And then we got, these are green apples, tomatoes, green peppers, red peppers, fresh ginger, lemons, kiwi, onions, bananas, grapes, strawberries, celery, cucumbers, thyme, rosemary, avocado, whipped cream, butter, oranges, wine. Did I miss something? Oh, coffee creamer. What you call this, Lord? Fabric softener. And a box of coffee. So now I just need to get in here and put everything away. So we'll probably be home chilling for the rest of the day. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get in here and start putting these things away, and probably I'm sure I'm gonna have to clean out the refrigerator, take out some things or what have you. So that's what your girl is getting ready to do, and I will check back in with you guys later. I done made it home from church and getting ready to get dinner started. I had ordered an Instacart because I had a taste for some macaroni and cheese. Yep, here it is. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. Let me get myself together, get everything kind of like in some kind of order here so I can start cooking. Corey is going to a basketball game, him and my dad, in Orlando, so I want to try to have dinner ready before he leaves.
Y'all don't know nothing about this. And I ain't telling you.